Printer introduction. Touch screen. Shortcut keys. Scanning window. Speaker. Camera. Alignment line. Power button. TF card slot. Power port. Microphone. System language settings. In the homepage function, enter settings. Slide to find system language. Click to enter and select the language displayed by the system. Scanning and use. Take scanning and translation as an example. Click the scanning and translation function. Hold the pen in the posture shown on the screen, and then press the pen tip diagonally on the paper until the light comes on. Use the center line to align the text and move to the right at a constant speed to scan. The scanned content will appear on the main screen and will be automatically translated. Click the 5-pointed star on the right to save it. Click the print button to adjust the font and print out the scanned content. Click the microphone icon to conduct an oral assessment. Press and hold the green icon to read aloud. After the end, the system will automatically score this reading. Click on the text to extract. Go in and click Scan Bindings. A binding QR code appears. Data synchronous transmission to the mobile phone and computer screen. Perform voice translation. Click on the language translation function. Hold down the simplified Chinese characters and speak to translate Chinese into English.
你最棒的。
You're the best.
你最棒的。
あなたは最高です。
Press and hold English to translate into Chinese.
I can do it.
Click the green speaker to play the translated content repeatedly.
我能做到的。
Click the green exchange arrow at the top to perform language translation. Click American English or Simplified Chinese at the top to switch to other languages for translation. And 112 languages can be supported online. Photo translation. Within the homepage function, you can also choose the photo translation function. Click on Photo Translation. Click on the top American English or Simplified Chinese to switch to other languages for translation. Click on the screen to focus on the selected content. Press the photo icon. Select the box and click Confirm to translate Chinese into English. Click on the green speaker to repeat the translated content. Connect to Wi-Fi. Method 1. Swipe down the screen to open the control center. Press and hold WLAN. Enter the Wi-Fi settings page. Turn on WLAN. Click to select the wireless network you want to connect to. Enter the wireless password. Click to check. And it will show that the wireless connection is successful. Method 2. On the home page, find the settings function and open it. Select the WLAN function. Enter the Wi-Fi settings page. Select the network and enter the password to connect. App synchronization. First, find the app synchronization function on the home page. Enter and click Scan to bind. A binding QR code will appear. Step 2. Download the Parapage app from the App Store. Open the app, click My, click Learning Equipment, click Add Device, and scan the code to bind. Connect to the printer. Turn on the printer first. Slide down to enter the control center and turn on Bluetooth. Click Scan Translation. Scan any content to the translation pen. Click the printer icon to enter the print settings. You can adjust the font size at will. Click the printer icon again. Enter the search to connect to the printer. After searching for the printer, click Connect and allow pairing. Select the paper size, and you can print. You can set the printing parameters such as density and number of copies from the top. Click the printer icon after settings. TF card installation. First, make sure that there is no foreign object blocking the card slot. Put the TF card's gold finger side upwards and insert it into the card slot. Use a thin object to push the TF card into the card's slot 3 mm until it is automatically stuck. When removing the TF card, just push the card down again to automatically unlock and pop it out.